today is about problem solving involving probability of union of two events. Let's have first a short review in union of two events before we go with the problem solving. So we have here, given the sets below, lists down the outcomes of the following. So rolling a die. So these are the outcomes. So we have set A, B, C, D, and E. Find A union B. So for us to have the A union B, we have, just write it down. So dito parehas yung 3, so no need to write it again. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. That is A union B pag pinagsama mo siya. Next tayo, C union D. C union D. We have here, ang magkamukha dito ay wala. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So that is the union of C and D. Ganun lang kasimple. Next tayo, the union of D and E. So may magkamukha ba? Yes, that is 1. So no need to repeat 1. We have the sets of 1, then we have here 3, 5, and then 6. We're done. And then the last one, we have the union of B and D. B and D. So the answer, we have magkamukha si B and D, which is 3. So the answer is 1, 3, and then 5. So that is how you find the union of A and B. Now, let's move with the problem solving. So how we are going to find the probability. Probability na. Ito kasi ay ano pa lang to, union pa lang to, wala pang probability. Next, how we are going to find for the probability of union of two events. The union of events A and B is denoted by A union B consists of all outcomes that are in A or in B or in both A and B. The probability of A union B is denoted by the probability of A union B is equal to P of A is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the intersection of A and B. Or you may write this as P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So, or means union and and means intersection. So, this is also called as additive rule of probabilities. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin kapag tayo po ay magsosolve na ng union of two events. Example number 1. Mark rolled a fair die and wished to find the probability that the number that will turn up is even or greater than 3. So, how will you can say so that this problem is the union of two events? As you can see in this problem, gusto raw ni Mark na makakuha ng number that will turn up is even. Ito yung isang event, and then the other one is greater than 3. So, you have two events here. Okay? Now, why union? Sabi niya, or. Okay? Or. And from the word or, so this one is A union B. So, let us name the number of sample space of the event. Number of sample space of this event. So, since we have a die, ang pinag-uusapan natin, the number of faces in a die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay? So, the number of cardinality of our sample space, we have 6. And then, let us have your set A as your even numbers. Set A. So, we have here A. Let us name this one. This one is your even numbers. What are those even numbers that you can see in our sample space? We have here 2, 4, and then 6. Ayan na. So, how many is the cardinality? We have 1, 2, 3. Next tayo. For the set B, which is greater than 3. So, what are the numbers from the sample space that are greater than 3? We have 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and then 6. How many is the cardinality? We have here 3. Okay? Now, let us have the Venn diagram. Venn diagram natin para makita natin yung pinaka-union niya. Yung pinagsama. This one is your A, even, and this one is your B. So, for your A, we have here, tingnan nyo muna yung kung sino yung magkamukha. So, magkamukha dito ay si 4 and then 6. So, you have the intersection of 4 here and then 6. So, ang natira dito is 2, and then sa kabila, we have here 5. So, yan yung makukuha mo sa Venn diagram. Then, ang nasa labas na number, we have here 1 at saka 3. Ayan. So, ito naman yung nasa labas kung saan hindi sila kasama dun sa ating union. Now, let us find now the probability of the union. Ang formula natin for us to find the probability of union, we have P, A, union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus daw po sa probability of the intersection of B. Ayan. So, for us to find this one, so, probability of event, we have here. So, ilan ang event ni A? Ang event ni A, we have here 3 over the sample space, we have 6. So, yun lang. Plus, probability of B, ang event niya, we have here 3 divided by how many the sample space? We have 6. Ganun lang kasimple. Minus the probability of A intersect B. So, ilan ngayon dito yung probability ni A intersect B? So, yung probability ni A intersect B is equal to, so, ilan yung nagkaparehas? We have 4 here and then 6. So, 2. So, 2 elements yung nagkaparehas over how many? We have 6. Ayan. So, minus 2 over 6. So, let us have. So, since pare-parehas naman yung kanyang denominator, just has a right 6, copy. Then, 3 plus 3, we have 6. 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. Ayan na. Then, simplify further, we have 2 over 3. So, this is the probability that Mark can find numbers that are even or greater than 3. Ganun lang po. So, i-involve mo dito yung ating probability of events for us to find the probability of the union of two events. Is it clear? Let us have more examples. Example number 2. A card is randomly selected from a deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that it is a king or an ace? So, why is it a union of two events? We have here king and then we have here ace. Okay? So, or. Yan, gumamit tayo ng or. So, therefore, this is a probability of union of two events. So, let us have the number of sample space in the deck of cards. That is 52. That is your cardinality. Then, how many kings do we have in a deck of cards? We have here 4. And how many aces do we have? That is 4 ulit. Okay? So, 4 kings. That is diamonds, heart, clubs, and spades. Kamukha rin sa ace. Ganun din. So, we have here 4. Next tayo. Kunin na natin yung probability ni king at saka ni ace. Para mamaya, substitute na lang natin dun sa ating formula. Ang probability ng ating king is equal to n of k over n of s. So, yung event ni k over yung event ni sample space. So, ang event ni k, ni king, we have 4 over 52. Ayan. Or, we can simplify this one as 1 over 13. Ayan. Next tayo. Sa probability naman ni A, so it is equal to n of A, event A, over sa sample space. Yan. So, we have here how many? We have 4 over 52, same lang, that is 1 over 13. So, yan na yung probability ni king at saka ni probability ni ace. Next tayo, let us have this one. gawa tayo ng Venn diagram. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron kayang magkakamukha kay King at Ace. Di ba wala? So, therefore, yung ating Venn diagram ay magkahiwalay ngayon ang ating circle. Kasi walang mag-i-intersect sa kanila. Walang magkamukha kay King at saka kay Ace. So, therefore, dito yung King, then this one yung Ace. So, yung King of Diamonds, King of Hearts, King of Clubs, King of Spades. Ito naman, Ace of Diamonds, Ace of Hearts, Ace of Clubs, then Ace of Spades. Okay? So, hindi sila nagka-tamang dalawa. Kasi they didn't intersect to each other. Naintindihan? So, kung sila ay hindi nag-intersect without an intersection, ang tawag po dito sa tanong na to is mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive events. Yan yung tinatawag mo mutually exclusive events. Okay? So, walang intersection na nangyari. So, this one is mutually exclusive events. Yung number 1 natin, ang tawag sa kanya ay not mutually exclusive. Ito naman, mutually exclusive kasi there is no intersection within the two events. Okay? Next tayo. Let us now find the probability. So, the probability of King union Ace is equal to the probability of King plus the probability of Ace. So, hindi ko nalalagyan ng probability ng union ni King at Ace kasi there is no intersection. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin kong formula. So, it is equal to 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13. And then, the answer is 2 over 13. So, this is the probability that you can have a king or an ace. Is it clear? So, para mas madali nyo, ma-clear sa inyo, mas madali nyo maintindihan kung siya ba ay may intersection or not, you may use a Venn diagram. Okay? Next examples tayo. Number 3. A card is randomly drawn from a standard deck of cards. What is the probability that the card is a red or a face card? So, this one is union of two events ulit, which is a red card and a face card. Now, let us have kung meron silang intersection. Yes, obviously, meron tayong intersection kasi merong red na face cards. Okay? So, merong red na face cards and then yung ibang face cards ay kulay itim. Now, let us have now your number of space natin. So, the number of space natin, ilan lahat ang meron sa isang card? That is 52 cards. Yan. Then, the number of red cards for our event, we have 26. We have hearts at saka we have hearts and then we have diamonds, diba? Next tayo, the number of face cards. So, the number of face cards naman ay we have 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 naman siya. Yan. So, we have 12 for the face. Next tayo, let us now have the probability of your red cards. So, the probability of the red cards is equal to N of R over N of S, the sample space. Red card, we have 26 over, kung ilan lahat sila, that is 52. So, this one is equal to 1/2. Yan. Next tayo. The probability of the face cards. We have here 12 over 52. So, 12 over 52 is divisible by 4. So, 12 divided by 4, we have here 3. Then, 52 divided by 4, we have here 13. So, ayan yung kanyang probability. Probability ni red card at ni face cards. So, since meron tayo intersection, now, let us find the probability of A intersection B. Okay? So, the intersection of A and B, ilan ba yung face cards na color red? Okay? So, ang mga face cards na color red, that is King of Hearts, King of Diamonds, Queen of Hearts, Queen of Diamonds, Jack of Hearts, and then Jack of Diamonds. So, yun yung mga red. Okay? We have 6. That is 6 over ilan lahat ulit? The sample space we have here, 52. Then, simplify natin. 6 over 52. Divisible naman siya by 3. So, by 2. So, 6 over 52 becomes 3 over 26. Ayan. Now, let us have this one. P of R. Red, union natin by the face card. So, it is equal to probability of the red cards plus the probability of the face cards minus the probability of, we have R intersect F. Ito yun eh. Ito yan. So, R intersect F. Yan. Para hindi lang ako malito, lagyan natin siya ng mga letters na kaugnay dun sa ating question. So, this one, para pare-parehas na lang yung ating denominator, ito na lang gamitin natin. Yan, para mas madaling mag-solve. So, we have P of R, pero kapag ang kinukuha nyo lang ay probability ng red, the answer is 1/2. Probability of the face cards, we have 3 over 13. The probability of the intersection of the red and face cards, we have 3 over 26. Did you get it? So, next tayo, we have here, okay, and hiwalay ko. So, the probability of the red card, we have 26 over 52 plus the probability of the face card, we have 3 over 13 minus natin sa probability na intersection ni red at saka ni face card, that is 6 over, ito pala, sorry po. Ito na nga pala yung gagamitin natin, yung may over 52 para pare-parehas tayo ng denominator. We have 12 over 52, then minus 6 over 52. So, therefore, the probability of the red union, the red and the face cards, or red or face cards, we have here 32 over 52. Yan. Or equals, simplify further, we have divisible by 4 siya, we have 8 over 13. So, this is now your final answer. Kung naman ikaw ay nalito sa pagkuha ng intersection ng red at face card, pwede ka naman gumamit ng Venn diagram. So, lagay mo lahat dito ng faces ng cards. So, sino-sino ba yung faces ng cards na color red para dun sa intersection? So, we have the King of Hearts, King of Diamonds, then we have Queen of Hearts, then Queen of Diamonds, we have Jack of Hearts, and then Jack of Diamonds. Yan na yung pinaka-intersection niya. Count mo lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is the number of possible outcomes dun sa intersection ni A at saka ni B. Okay? Then, yung dito sa faces naman dito, we have, ang natira dyan, we have the King of Spades, King of Clubs, then Queen of Spades, then Queen of Clubs, then dito ay Jack of Spades, then we have Jack of Clubs. Next tayo, we have dito ay merong kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na diamonds. Yan. Then, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na hearts. Yan. And then, kasama pala si ace. Ace na diamonds at saka ace na hearts. Yan. Then, count mo lang yan. So, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So, this one is 20. Then, this one is 6, the intersection. Then, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Tingnan nyo, pag ito ay add ko yan, 20 plus 6 plus 6, the answer is 32. Then, over mo sa lahat ng cards, that is 32 over 56. Diba? Lumabas din siya. So, this is equal to 8 over 13. Yan. So, pwede ka rin gumamit ng Venn diagram for us to find the union of two events. The probability of union of two events. Is it clear?